Hi everyone, today let's make गाजर का हलवा और गजरेला। Heat ghee in a kadai. Add saffron, cardamom powder, add grated carrot and cook till they are soft. This is a home style gajar ka halwa and not that halwai wali. That's why there is no mawa in it. After sauteing the carrots, let's add milk. After adding milk, we need to keep on stirring it. You can see the texture of carrots, it is still raw. Here I am slow cooking the carrots with milk until all of the liquid evaporates. You can even make it in a pressure cooker, but I am doing it the traditional way as I have time. Now the milk is becoming thick and giving a pudding-like texture to the halwa. Notice texture of the carrots, it is getting cooked. Milk has reduced a lot and it has become almost khoya. And now it's the right time to add sugar in it. And why it's the right time to add sugar? Because carrot is cooked. As soon as you add sugar in kadai, it will absorb all the moisture from the halwa. Make sure you cook the sugar. Let's check the sugar level. In another pan, add ghee, nuts of your choice and saute till golden brown. Add this mixture into the kadai and mix well. Adding some more strands of saffron. Add a pinch of salt as it will enhance all the flavors. This traditional way of making gajar ka halwa took almost 2 hours. It was worth it. I have used Silver Leaf or Chandigarh vark to make it look attractive on camera. You may skip it. Gajar ka halwa is our taste of happiness and we hope that you too like it. We wish you a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year. If this recipe helps you in any way, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.